welcome back to my channel. If you're new, thank you so much for stopping by. Hi, my name is Favor Lucky. You can call me Lucky if you like, and if you're a returner, thank you so much for coming back again. So in today's video, I want to share with you guys this beautiful wig that I got from West Kiss Hair. This is actually my first time ordering from them, and actually my first time installing a proper wig. So when you buy from them, I like the fact that the packaging is pink and white. You guys know I love pink. It's my holy grail color and I don't joke with it. Inside it comes with like a wig cap and a bag that you can use to store your wigs, which I think is really cute. I like this hot red though. It's really nice. It matches my lipstick. I got this wig for $91 because they were going on sale, but it's just this simple bob wig. I got it in 14 inches. So when it comes to like the shipping, it took like 2 to 3 days for my shipping to come, and I'm really impressed because it didn't waste time. That's a plus for them. It didn't waste time for them to ship my hair. This hair is 180 when it comes to density, which is good because it's actually full. And I'm really impressed. So I believe this hair came pre-plucked because what I just did was just cut out the extra lace and then used my Got To Build spray to just lay it down. Like, honestly guys, I am the laziest person when it comes to this type of wig install, plucking, threading, like all those things. Like I can't do. So if you're a lazy person like me that don't have the time and energy, then keep on watching to see how I achieve this look.
You said I was a piece of art. You decided to paint my heart, but you colored it gray, then you put it in a frame, hung it beside other house gray as mine. Oh, I should've known, should've let you go. Oh, I should've known, should've let you go. Oh, I should've known, should've let you go. But I wanted to fall in love so bad, like in the movies or the dreams. You're like in the movies or the dreams. You wanted to tear down my walls. You did that by sweet talking. You got inside my mind. Now I'm wide awake at night. Put me aside. I wasn't worth your time. Oh, I should've known.
Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you didn't laugh at me too much the way I was struggling, but I just wanted to prove a point that like even if you're not a professional, you can still look cute and still lay your wig. It doesn't have to be perfect. Perfect is anyway boring. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. But before you leave, do not forget to subscribe. Okay, do not forget to subscribe. Do not forget to subscribe. Okay, yeah, I'm done. Bye.